Good morning to you, dear students. So, we are saying time and work basic trick. Today, I am going to tell time and work trick 1. Okay? Let us see this trick now. Suppose A can do a work in 12 days. I am not writing in complete sentence. A can do a work in 12 days. B can do the same work in 18 days. With the help of C, that is A plus B plus C, with the help of C, they can do the work in 4 days. The question is, C alone will do the work in how many days? I repeat the question. A can do work in 12 days. B can do the same work in 18 days. With the help of C, they can do the work in 4 days. C alone will do the work in how many days? Now, how to do? I will tell. From A plus B plus C, if I remove A plus B, I will get C's 1 day's work. Hope it's clear now. Let us see this question, dear students. A can do work in 12 days. B can do the same work in 18 days. With the help of C, A plus B plus C, 3 together will do the same work in 4 days. C alone will do it in how many days? Now this is the question. So what we are going to do is A plus B plus C is 1 day's work is 1 by 4 minus A plus B. A can do a work in 12 days. B can do it in 18 days. If I subtract from A plus B plus C, A plus B, I'll get C. Now if we take the LCM, it is 12 in 18 is 36. 4 9s are 36 minus 12 3s are 36 plus 18 2s are. That is 9 minus 5, 4 by 36, that is equal to 1 by 9. So dear students, this is the actual process. Instead of this, I am going to tell a trick now. Say the trick here itself in a single step. We are going with options. First of all, for every question, he'll give options. Let the options be here. 7, 9, 12, 15 days. So C alone can do it in 7 days, or 9 days, or 12 days, or 15 days. So first step is A plus B plus C equal to 1. Because when any work is done, it is equal to 1 unit. Now A can do a work in 12 days, I'll write in denominator 12. B can do the same work in 18 days, I'll write in here 18. With the help of C, the work is done in how many days? This is the question. C alone will do it in how many days? That is the question now. So here, we'll go with options. Suppose C does the work in 7 days. C does the work in 7 days. Now LHS must be equal to RHS. 1 must be equal to 1. Now A has done 4 days because A plus B plus C can do it in 4 days. A has done in 4 days. B has done in 4 days. C has done in 4 days now. 3 together has done. So this is for 1s are, for 3s are, to 2s are, to 9s are, 4 by 7. This is absolutely not equal to 1. We can directly say it. So this is not the right option. Let us see the second one. If I go with this, A can do it in 12 days, B can do it in 18 days, C will do it in how many days? I am going with direct option, that is 9. So if we put 9 here, because C is doing individually in 9 days, that is answer. This is 4 by 12, 4 by 12, 4 by 12, because 3 have done 4 days work. This is 1 by 3 plus 2 by 9 plus 4 by 9. So if I say the LCM, dear students, 9 is LCM. 3 3s are 9 plus 2 plus 4. So 9 by 9 equal to 1. I wanted to say option 2, 9 is the right answer. So by just putting the option in the denominator, dear students, C alone can do it in how many days, we can tell the answer. So next question I am going to tell directly only by putting the options. I am not going for the first method. So we are going for the second question now on the screen. Let us see the question. The question says, A can do a work in 20 days, B can do the same work in 15 days, C will do the same work alone in how many days? A plus B plus C can do the work in 5 days. So the question is, C alone will do it in how many days? So A can do a work in 20 days, B can do it in 15 days. C alone will do it in how many days? A plus B plus C can do it in 5 days. So what we had done in the previous cases, A plus B plus C minus A plus B we are doing. Here instead of doing this, we'll go directly with the options. The options are, say, 10 days. C alone can do it in 10 days, 12 days, 15 days and 20 days. So what is my first step? A plus B plus C equal to 1. Now here A can do a work in 20 days as given, B can do the same work in 15 days and C alone will do it. Suppose I'll take the first option 10. First option 10. So here A plus B plus C can do it in 5 days. So 5 days work, 5 days work, 5 days work has been done. This is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 3. This is 1 by 2. Is it equal to 1 or not? If we check, dear students, it's not equal to 1. Say for example, 12 is LCM. 4 3 is 3 4 is 2 6. So it's 13 by 12, which is not equal to 1. So directly by seeing options, we can tell it's not. We're going for second option, that is 12. So A can do a work in 20 days, B can do it in 15 days, C alone will do it in 12 days. Suppose option number 2. 5 days work A has done, 5 days work and 5 days work 1 by 4 plus 1 by 3 plus 5 by 12. So if you just solve it, 12 is the LCM. If you see here, dear friends, 4 3 is a 12, 3 4 is a 12 and 5. This is 12 by 12, that is equal to 1. So option 2, 12 is the right answer. So just by seeing the option, we are able to tell the solution for the question. Let us see one more of the same type. You see the question now. The question is, A can do a work in 20 days, B can do the same work in 15 days with the help of C. That is A plus B plus C. 3 together can do the work in 5 days. C alone will do the work in how many days? This is the question, my dear students. A can do work in 20 days, B can do it in 15 days. With the help of C, they can do it in 5 days. That is A plus B plus C. Within 5 days, C alone will do it in how many days? So what I'm doing, I'm going to give a trick, dash plus dash plus dash equal to 1. But one thing, we need options. We need options here. Options are, say 8, 10, 12, 8, 10, 12 and say 15. That is the options 8, 10, 12 and 15. Let us see option 1, 8, 10, 12, 15. First option. So A can do work in 20 days, B can do it in 15 days. C alone, let it do the work in option number 1, 8 days. So with the help of C, A plus B and C, 3 together have done the work in 5 days. So 5 plus 5 plus 5 we have taken the students. Already I have done the same model. Okay, let it be, I am repeating it. So this is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 3 plus 5 by 8. It is not equal to 1, dear students. We are going for second option, that is 10. So if I put second option 10 dash plus dash equal to 1, A can do it in 20 days, B can do it in 15 days, C can do it in say 12 days. So 5 days work has been done here in 3 cases. This is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 3. This is 5 by 12. This is not equal to 1, dear students. Or 12 if we take, for 3 is 3 fours plus 5. So it's 12 by 12, dear students. I'm sorry, it's equal to 1. It's equal to 1. Option 2, 10 days is the right answer. 10 days is the right answer. Let us see one more question of the same type. Okay. A can do a work in 10 days, B can do the same work in 20 days with the help of say A plus B plus C can do the same work in 4 days. Question C alone will do it in how many days? So we need options here. Options are 8, 10, 12 and 15 days. Suppose 8, 10 and 12 and 15 days. So dash plus dash equal to 1. A can do a work in 10 days, B can do it in 20 days. With the help of C, they can do it in 4 days. So 4 days, A has done the work, B has done the work, C has done the work. So here, dear students, let me take first option 8. So 4 days, 4 days, 4 days. So 2 by 5. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 2 1, 4 1s are 4 5s are 4 1s are 4 2s are. Is it equal to 1? So 5 and 2 if we take, 10 will be the LCM. 5 2s are 2 2s are 4 plus 5 2s are 10 plus 2 5s are 4, 5 6 plus 5 11 by 10. This is not correct. So we are going again with one more option. No need of checking. Directly by seeing itself we can tell whether it's equal to 1 or not. See, this is 2 by 5 plus 1 by 5, that is 3 by 5. This is 3 by 5 means I must get 2 by 5 here, but I am getting half. By seeing itself we can tell. We are going for the second option 10. So A can do work in 10 days, B can do it in 20 days. Let's see can do the same work in 10 days. So 4 days work, 3 have done in common. A plus B plus C can do the work in 4 days. So this is 2 by 5 plus 1 by 4 plus 2 by 5. Is it equal to 1? Let us check. 20 is LCM. 5 4s are 4 2s are 8 plus 4 5s are plus 5 4s are. This is 17 by 20. It's not equal to 1. Two 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 4 1s are. This is 4 1s are 4, 5 5s are 20, dear students. Okay, now if you check it, what happens? 5, 2, 3, this is 5 by 5, that is equal to 1. So answer is 10 days is the correct answer. Just 4 1s are 4 5s are. Okay. So answer is 10 days. I shall repeat this again. A can do a work. A can do a work in 10 days. B can do the same work in 20 days. With the help of C, they can do the work in 4 days. C alone will do it in how many days? This is the question, dear students. So what we are doing, options are, options what I given, 8, 10, 12, 15. So dash plus 1 for A, 1 for B, 1 for C is equal to full work. Now, A can do a work in 10 days. B can do the same work in 20 days. With the help of C, they can do it in 4 days. So, A has done 4 days work, B has done 4 days work, C has done 4 days work. So, C alone, let me take option number 1, 8. So, here 4 days work, A has done 4 days work, B has done 4 days work. The LHS must be equal to RHS, that must be equal to 1. This is 2 by 5 plus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 2. Say this is half means these two together must be half. That is not the right answer. Second option, dash plus dash equal to 1. If we say the second option, dear students, A can do work in 10 days, B can do it in 20 days. Suppose C can do it in 10 days. Second option. So 4, 4 and 4. This is very simple, dear students. This is 2 2s are 2 5s are, 4 1s are 4 5s are, 2 2s are 2 5s are. This is equal to 1. So 2, 3, 4, 5. This is nothing but 5 by 5, that is equal to 1. So 10 days C can do separately in 10 days is the right answer. Thank you, dear students.